Good morning. Uh, Myself Ganesh Valmiki. I'm the chairman of Valmiki Group. So Valmiki Group is a 15 years old educational group where we have been helping and assisting a lot of students, especially in getting admits from some of the top universities. And we have also been helping a lot of students in securing funding and scholarships. And currently we are dealing with more than 350 plus universities in more than 8 countries. So Valmiki Group is organizing one education fair. It's called a multi-country education fair. It is going to be at Begumpet, Taj Vivanta on 22nd. So 22nd of May we are coming out. It starts at 10 a.m. and ends by 5 p.m. So we have a lot of university officials from United States of America, then Canada, Australia, New Zealand, then followed by few other countries. So these officials definitely the day they're going to conduct a lot of interviews and they do spot evaluation, and students can avail the opportunities in having direct contacts, like one-to-one interaction with the university officials, and even there is an opportunity in terms of getting application fee waivers, and followed by even funding opportunities. So mainly we are expecting close to 1,000 plus students on 22nd May. It all depends again. We're looking at their profile. We guide students. The day we have some officials who are also offering very interesting courses, foundation level courses, and even pathway programs also in US. So students can definitely avail this opportunity, and we are also coming out with a few more visa seminars where students can log on to our website to know more updates regarding the upcoming events. It's valmikiedu.org, and the other website we have is valmikiedufairs.org. So you can definitely log on to these websites, and you can register your name to get regular updates from Valmiki, where we do conduct a lot of visa workshops. And followed by we have continuous university officials visits where you can just check upcoming events and do participate. So I wish best of luck for those who are applying for this fall 2015 intake, and Valmiki Group, we are always there to support you. Vijayawada also is a similar education fair where again a lot of students are expressing interest in Vijayawada, Guntur region. That's why we are taking all these university officials to even Vijayawada also. In Vijayawada, we are conducting at DV Manor Hotel. Again, that's happening on 21st before this education fair itself. So it is a similar event, and those who can't travel to Hyderabad, they can also even visit at Vijayawada and attend the education fair.